Remini versus YouCam Perfect online video enhancer comparison. Enhanced video quality better than Topaz AI video. As for now, free of cost. Hey guys, I'm Hamza from Android Ultra. I hope all of my viewers fine and doing great. This is the first step called Remini. Anytime reviewed on my channel with the combination, comparisons, separate review. Definitely next year 2025 review also come in few months. So here is a really simple interface. Click on videos and choose the video, and your enhanced video automatically process and download into your video gallery. If you want to see the detailed comparison, so you maybe check it out. All the videos available on my channel in video enhancer playlist. The second app called basically online video enhancer, YouCam Perfect. This is also reviewed a few days ago on my channel in detail. If you want to see in detail pros and cons of this one, you can also check out that video as well. This is really simple. First off, you need to sign in or sign up. After that, upload your video. You can try 6 to 7 seconds of video free of cost, because first time you will get free credit, 8 or 9 credits free of cost in my opinion. And you can check out what type of quality you can expect from it. You can compare with others as well. After uploading video, everything is automatic here as well, and you can download your video after processing, or you can preview as well here. Let me show you the side-by-side comparison, because this is where you can find which one is the best. Remini versus YouCam Perfect online. This is going to be really head-to-head in my opinion. First of all, it's clearly visible. YouCam Perfect is way ahead in terms of sharpness and clarity. When it comes to the natural, in my opinion, here Remini is slightly better, but the pixelation is still here, but it's close to natural in my opinion. Eye pleasant. Still, YouCam Perfect looks really fantastic in front of Remini as for now, but when it comes to foreground or blurred video which is not in the focus, this will be fixed by the updates in my opinion, and needs to be fixed in the YouCam Perfect online. From my experience, I see metadata from all of the video enhancers, softwares, apps, but Remini is one and the only who provide you 10-bit video. Even your video is not 10-bit. 10-bit video has much larger range of colors compared to 8-bit video. More than 40 plus videos available on my channel regarding video enhancer, combination of apps to make something better than Topaz, and a lot of cool comparisons available with the Topaz as well. You can check and let me know what do you think about it. For me, it's really difficult to say which one did better than other one. And what do you think about it? Which one is the better video enhancer? This is the video for today. I hope you really like it. Subscribe, like, share with others. See you soon with the new video.